Question 13, again trigonometry. We are given this diagram based on the dimensions in the actual building in the picture, and ultimately we need to find this angle x, which is at the corner of the shape. Okay, so at the starting point we can look at the geometry, but over in this triangle we have two items of information, therefore we can solve for h. When we get h, we can use h and 2 to solve for the angle x degrees. So let's see how to process all the steps. So step 1, when we're finding h, we can focus on this triangle only, and we need to apply a trigonometric ratio. So the two sides which are relevant is the opposite for h and the adjacent for 11.8. So that means we're going to choose 10. Okay, so let's substitute in 20 and 11.8 into the angle and into the adjacent. So 20 goes here and 11.8 goes below, matching the adjacent. So h is where the opposite is. Alright, so h is up here now. So we need to multiply across before we do our calculations. Okay, so let's put this into your calculator and set your calculator to degrees, and we will get a height of 4.3 meters. Look at it on your diagram and ask yourself, does that look realistic? Well, yes, it does. It looks in proportion to the 11.8. It looks fine. Okay. So now step 2, we are on the second triangle and we need to search, okay, for x. Okay, and again we have some new information now because we have the h, the 4.3. So we have two items of information and we need to find the third, okay, part, which would be the angle. So again, let's look at the configuration. We have O and A, so therefore choose 10 again. Okay, 10 is equal to opposite over adjacent. Substitute in what we have. So in this case we have the opposite and the adjacent sides, and we're finding the angle. So 4.3 over 2 is equal to 10 of x. So for angles we need to inverse because we're going from the ratio back to the angle. So 10 inverse of that value will give us 65 degrees.